My name's Chris Snyder. I'm president of Texas Tito's. So we're a food manufacturer. We package acidified foods, which is a fancy way of saying pickled foods. A lot of our preparedness, including our continuity plan, is really a testament to our customers and their requirements that they put on us to ensure that we're able to provide them a steady supply of product under most any circumstances. So we had a lot of the plans in place, and again, that's a testament to our customers largely, who really drove that. And so we were able to use those as a foundation, pivot a little bit. Not many, if any of those plans spoke specifically to a pandemic, but a lot of the fundamentals still applied. Submitting an application for the Grit Awards was kind of fun in that it was a reflective process to look back at some of the things that we did, some of the things we could have done better, and some of the things we did right. But going through that process, one of the things I realized, which I've known, is really just how much our employees were kind of the cornerstone of our preparedness and their willingness to continue working, and despite a lot of the strains of the pandemic, just continue coming to work and performing. It's just that part was probably the most fun part for me, to realize that this was all done by our employees ultimately.